Wait, did you get hurt?
No, we were just testing the water.
Oh, like the soap? If it's too much soap or what? What's the competition about?
Just which method's faster.
Oh, okay.
He says leave the door panels off. I'm not doing door panels off.
Oh, you're gonna do it without Oh, okay. Without taking off the speaker, like this piece.
Well, you know the whole.
Oh, okay.
And then also putting it back onto the bed. That sign to the customer waiting here.
You guys betting anything, or is it friendly competition? Oh, not friendly competition. Oh, is there anything on the line?
Pride.
A pride? Oh. We should get a belt. We should get like a belt, best installer in the shop. With you know that wrestling.
Juan has more experience.
Yeah, that's true. But it's just more than anything is seeing like how much of a time difference taking the door panels and then putting it back on.
Oh, okay, cool.
That's the main thing we're trying to see.
Well, I have $20 on Isa.
Damn, that's a lot.
I'll bet those $20.
Isa, please.
You're losing those.
So we're ready?
Isa, don't let me down, please. It's my last $20.
Also the
quality?
Because if mine sucks, then.
What makes it like? How do we know if it's a bad one? Like if it just shows.
There's like a lot of contamination, or if there's like creases or wrinkles.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Isa got this. He was practicing all morning.
I'm so excited.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. All right. Oh, he's going straight to the window. Okay. Okay. We'll see what Juan's up to. It looks like he's already has a tint on there.
I already creased it.
Already creased? Oh, what's that? Are you able to fix it?
Oh, I think so.
With heat, right?
Yeah. He said, did you trim yours close to the edge?
No, it's around it.
Alright guys, this is why you don't rush, because it's gonna end up creasing.
You serious?
Since Juan's already on the tint, we'll check up on Isa.
Nice.
He got the windows ready. So if you guys can see right here, there's nothing covering it, so you can straight up put up the tint and it'll be a perfect alignment. And just like how you guys saw, this portion's on here compared to Isa's side, where it's completely off. So in terms of making it an easier install, that'll be the solution for it. But for this competition, it's about speed, and we'll see who finishes first. What happened?
It went the side I didn't want it to go.
What happens if it goes on the wrong side? Or
Contamination.
oh, contamination. Ooh, that's scary. What do people say? Slow and steady wins the race.
Yeah, that's what supposedly they say.
Alright, there goes Juan. He's gonna go get another piece. He finished the back on this side, and then all he needs to do is just he has these two cutouts that he did, but he's gonna go get another pre-cut so he can just easily put it on and complete the installation. But it looks like he already did the back side, so all he needs now is just the front side. What you up to over here, sir?
So we want to keep the top. That way when we're squeegeeing the rest of the bottom with the blue squeegee, it doesn't move around.
Oh, okay.
So we want to secure it in place, seal it basically.
Oh, okay. Cool.
So you don't want to heat it too much. It's just for anchor it basically.
Anchoring. Oh, okay. What do you think about your competition? Are you scared or not worried about it?
Still scared.
Still scared?
Yes.
All right, looks like Juan came back. He's still in the race.
Scared, Daniel?
Huh?
Are you scared?
No, I'm not scared. I believe in Isa on that side. He's about to finish it up.
I don't have to put the panels in.
You don't have to put the panel?
Yeah.
Oh, that's true, huh?
Yep.
Oh, so there's a chance he might catch up.
There's a chance.
And just to let you guys know, for Isa on that side, he removed this this piece right here, and then he basically brought this back in order to take this off. Whereas Juan's gonna simply just put it over, and then once he lowers the window, he's gonna make sure that it doesn't catch on, so that no contamination gets on it. What percent tint is this?
5.
5%? Dang.
Sir.
So from the inside you can see out, right? But from the outside you can't see in?
Exactly.
Oh, snaps.
What's inside? Alright. No sabotaging here.
No sabotage.
No, sorry.
We definitely didn't do anything to your other window.
It's all good.
Whoa. Looks like this side is done. 1 hour in. I'm kidding, sir.
Damn, we didn't even check what time we started. Oh, the video will.
Yeah, the video will show. Don't worry, sir.
Alright.
Oh, snap. Anissa's already working on putting it back on. It's gonna be a tough race, I think so.
I'm already done.
You're done?
Yeah. I mean, there's some fingers here. But I know those after they dry a little, I'm gonna take them out.
So you're like, are you officially done so I can mark the time?
Yeah.
So you can't touch it after?
Oh, I can't touch it?
No.
Alright. So I guess let me wait to get the fingers out.
It's 12:38. I'm hoping Isa could let me get my $20. So once the competition is done, whichever side finishes first, they're no longer able to touch it, and then we'll just as we're already have the clock running, we'll see who can finish the fastest with the least mistakes. Let's say I came to install it today. Well, what would I have to like? Can I lower the window throughout the day?
No. So I know on Teslas it's a little bit harder because automatically it goes down, and then when you close the door it goes up.
Oh,
So
it does do that. Yeah.
It does do that. So one of the things that us as installers are gonna have to do, make sure that the edges are really heated up, so when it goes up, it doesn't pull the window foam with it.
Oh, okay, cool. I forgot they do that. That's crazy.
So that's why I mean we do specialize in Teslas, so that's why
Oh yeah. There we go.
Hi.
Okay.
Let's go check up on Isa. Concentrated as ever. All right. It looks like the final touches. But the timer's still ticking for everyone until the customer leaves with the car.
Let's see if I can just.
So there's Alexis. All right, we're finished with the competition, so we want to get your opinion.
Wait, what am I looking at? The whole
Oh, okay. So basically, it was a competition. So I guess the competition was to see who could install it the fastest.
Okay.
So if you came in as a customer, which one would you be satisfied with everything like both windows? Okay.
No.
Yeah.
See, both of you guys worked on the back and the front doors, or is it just the front doors?
I guess right now we're going based on quality.
Yeah.
So right now, I'll see which one you would, as a customer.
All right, Alexis, since you just arrived, just look around as if this is your tint. Let me know what you look for. You said there was a misalignment?
Oh no, that's what I'm thinking, but
Oh, okay.
it could be wrong.
Do you see anything
I'll
wrong?
be extra picky. I'll be like
Some people.
some people over here, not naming names.
What would you rate the front? 1 out of 10.
Say, I would be happy.
10? 10 out of 10?
8.
8 out of 10?
10 out of 10 has to blow my mind, but
Oh, okay.
no.
Why didn't it blow your mind?
Me being super picky, but it's because I already know what I'm looking for.
Oh, okay.
The edge.
The edges. Oh, okay.
The edge, but they're good. These doors are good.
It looks good. 10 out of 10 for this one?
8.
8? Alright. Moving on to the other side. One side.
I would give it 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10?
Oh, 8.5.
8.5. Nice. The edges are perfectly there?
Yep.
Alright. 5 or 6?
6. I'll give it a 6. Because of the fingers.
Oh, just the fingers?
Yeah, but there's no bubbles. It's just the edges. Yeah. I think it's only the edges, but I'm pretty sure that could be squeegeed in. Yep.
Yeah.
But
Gone.
Yeah, there we go. It's gone. So, well, after that, like, let's say there was no fingers, what would you give this one? If the fingers were gone?
I'll give it like a 7.5.
7.5? Oh, nice.
For quality, I guess I won.
Yeah.
In terms of speed, Juan won.
By how much speed? Like
I think he won by, what was it, 5 or something minutes?
Well, like-
5-10 minutes? Roughly?
Yeah, so like if you consider everything, and that's the thing I had because I messed up. So I went all the way there and had to recut it and came back. So the amount of granted, like I know I'm a little bit impatient, and so I try to shrink it faster. So that's why I had to do that. But assuming that I shrinked it at the speed that you were shrinking, how much of a time difference would that be?
10 minutes or so. 10, 15 minutes?
That's a lot. Daniel was a part of it, so Daniel, I want your take.
I lost $20. Isa owes me 20 now. So we just have to figure out how we're gonna do that, Zelle, or take it out of my paycheck.
Damn.
But yeah, it looks good. With the fingers, I would get it for a refund, but
Oh, you'll get a refund?
yeah, but that's just me.
Damn.
But since it's a friend of a friend, you know, I'll let it slide.
Nice.
But yeah, that's basically it. Let me know what you guys think. Who won? Isa or Juan?
For quality or speed?
Oh, for quality.
Quality is important, but I think speed is also like a big factor.
Yeah, because like it was 30 minutes. I could have been waiting there for 30 minutes, and if I already been waiting for an hour for the other stuff, it could be like I've been waiting here for like 3 hours, you know, compared to like 2 hours and a half or something. Because when I got my tin, it was like 3 hours, 3 or 4 hours. 3? Yeah, for like, but it was all around though. But I'm not sure if that's a long time or short.
That's a long time. Because how long do you think they would have taken if they would have done your front windshield?
Maybe 2 hours tops? 2 hours tops?
2 hours?
Yeah.
And that was one person, huh?
Yeah.
But how much did you pay?
What was the ceramics? Four something.
Four something?
420 or something.
For ceramic?
How much did you get? How much did you get charged?
Well, it was the regular tin. What was the other one called? The cheap one? Carbon?
The carbon dyed.
Yeah, the Thai tin was like $329.
That's a lot.
That is a lot.
And they didn't give me no Uber voucher or anything like that. You know, they just said, be back in 3 or 4 hours.